Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So kung bago ka lang dito sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell, comment, share kung nagustuhan mo itong video na to. So for today's vlog, mag-unboxing tayo ng aking order na nabili ko galing sa Shopee. Ito ay isang sewing machine. So di na natin ito patagalin. Let's go!
Ginagawa mo!
Tawag nito. Ito pala yung tapakan sa iba.
if you like, to get it started. And turn it away for me to lock it in there. Okay, and then you might just need to snip that little bit of excess thread off. Now I'm going to thread the top part of the machine. So you can actually, if you want, just use this thread from the thread spool and thread it from here. But I'll show you how to use this little thread holder here. So this one has a pin, so I'm going to pull that pin out. And it has a spring that provides the tension, so don't lose that spring. So I'm going to grab that pin, I'm going to put my new bobbin spool of thread onto that pin and push it in to that hole. Now I've tested it with the thread coming off this way and with the thread coming off underneath, and it's pretty much the same, so I don't think that matters too much. Alright, so we're going to thread the machine now. So this is your first thread guide, so you need to pass it through from right to left. Just going to pull it so I have a bit of thread to work with. Right, next the thread needs to go into the tension discs, which are right here.